Okay, what is the T code to see the material master? Someone please.
MM01.
I asked what is the T code to see the material master? That is to create the material master. MM03. Everyone please. MM03.
Yes, yes.
Okay. When I'm asking to see means material master we have already created. Okay. So, okay. So write down a new T code. Okay. That is MM60. MM60 slash n MM60. Okay. So this is the T code, which is a kind of report you can say to see the material master. Okay. Okay. Reporting T code of material master you can say, or the material T code to see the list of materials. Okay. Mention this. MM60 is the T code to see the list of materials. Okay. So here based on your plant and other few combinations, you can see the material master here. Okay. For example, we have uh, we have created for plant CP01, right? So let's mention that CP01 plant, execute here. Okay. See, we have created only one material in under this plant, right? So similarly, if you will go back and just remove this one, come to material type. So what was the material type we had? What was the material type we had? Banita, what was the material type we had? What is material type?
Hello,
Yeah, what is material type?
hello, sir.
Yes, yes. What is material type?
Some uh, some material type is it specify the types of raw material, finished material, and semi-finished material.
Okay, material type specifies the type of products, right? That is, raw material, semi-finished
Type
product,
of products
or a finished product. So, what is the material
and
type
finished
we
product.
had? Yeah, whatever the material code we had created yesterday, what was the material type for that?
So we have create finished and raw, semi-finished.
No, ours one was finished product. Okay, and what was the material type?
Yes, sir.
FER2.
Material type FERT.
Yes, FERT. Okay, let me put that. Okay, but see here out of all the input screens, okay, input fields, these are called input fields. Okay, out of all the input fields, we have mentioned this FERT only, which means whatever the materials are there under this material type that will appear here, right? So it will be not specific to our plant, right? Because we are not mentioning our plant here at this moment. So if I'll execute, just have a look here. See, there are so many materials, right? All these material codes, even 21 is a material code. Okay. So all these material codes are belongs to FERT material type. Okay. And here again, if I'll specify another input field, for example, CP01, this one is our plant, right? So let me execute this one. See, you can see only one material. So what is happening? This is a input screen and this one is designed by SAP itself. Okay. So SAP has given this flexibility. In backend, there is a program which is actually helping to fetch out the material based on the input parameter. Clear? Everyone is clear? Okay. Similarly, we do have lots of reports, standard reports, where we can, see our see the relevant data, whatever we are looking for. Okay, we can fetch out the data as per our input criteria. Okay. So if you know the material group also, and for this particular material, if we have defined the group, then that will come. Okay. So created by, for example, okay. So this created by means nothing but user. So here, who is the user? User is king. So if I'll mention king here, then that will come. See, just have a look here again. For example, let me remove this one. I don't know if this king user is for others as well, then it will give multiple data. But if it is a single user, then it will give only one information. Let me execute this one. Yeah. Okay, so with this user ID, there are so many. I mean, so many users are using this ID, and so many materials you can see here. Okay, but anyway, so this report you are clear, right? So MM60 is the T code for this one. So just have a look here again. We'll go to MM03 to see that particular material which we created yesterday. See, this is the material 2492. Just go inside to this. Okay, how can you go? Just put the material code and hit enter button. Now this will come, but anyway, let me select before this. Let me select this one. Click on this org label, okay, and here put your plant CP01. Okay,
Suman,
then
your screen is not viewing, so Suman.
others. Can you confirm? Is it visible to others?
Yes, it's reachable.
Yes, yes.
It is visible. So Rajesh, you please rejoin. You have some issue then.
Okay, okay, Suman.
Okay, so organizational labels. Okay, click on org label. So this kind of pop-up will come, right? So here mention your plant, mention your storage location. What is the storage location we had, Swarup? Swarup, Rudra, what was the storage location we had? Can you hear me, Rudra?
Yes, sir.
What is the storage location we had? CP03. I don't think you guys are practicing or really serious about your career. Seriously. CP01, P1. Okay. See, this is the material master we had created. So display, this is the display view, then material code. Okay, this is material view, then this material screen, master screen, then 2492. This is the code, and see in bracket it is mentioned finished product. Okay. See here you can see the see this information on material information symbol, right? If you will click on this, you can see remaining things here. Okay. So when the material got created, okay, by whom it got created, okay, and what is the material code again here, and what is the description of that material, right? And then what is the industry sector here, that also you can see pharmaceutical, right? Material type FERT, finished product. Okay, so this kind of basic information you can see here. Okay, once you'll click on this information symbol. Okay, now let's understand each and every not each and every field, whatever the required field are there. Okay, that we will discuss. Okay, just have a look here, and please write down this thing. I'm going to ask actually tomorrow again. I'm going to ask about the material master, and guys, you should feel okay. If you are unable to reply on something, means it's a bad thing actually. I don't know how you people are not getting prepared for the next session. Please be serious here. Okay, base unit of measure. Okay, write down this thing. Base unit of measure. Base unit of measure. And try to write quickly. I'm targeting to complete these things as quick as possible so that you guys can, engage somewhere. Hello, guys.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So material master, underline that one. Okay. Then mention under this general data base, or you can mention basic data one tab. Okay. Underline that one. Mention base unit of measure. Okay. So base unit of measure means it is a unit in which we manufacture and store the goods. What is this? It's a unit. It's a unit in which we manufacture the goods and store the goods, or we manufacture and store the goods. It is a unit in which we manufacture and store the goods. Okay.
Sir, repeat again. So please repeat again now.
Base unit hyphen, it is a unit in which we manufacture and store the goods. Okay. For example, if I'm saying some liquid product we are producing or manufacturing, right? So that can be stored in the bottle, right? If we are producing some kind of tablet medicines, right? So that will be stored as a based on the quantity, each quantity, right? Or pieces, right? Right. So like bt hyphen bottle, this one. Okay, okay, for example you can mention bt equal to bottle. Okay. So for example, BAG means bag. Okay. Then CAR equal to cartoon. So these are the examples. Okay. So base unit is a unit in which we manufacture and store the goods. Okay. Clear? Clear, guys? Then next one, material group. Next one, material group. See, guys, don't cheat actually. This is for you all. So if someone is not writing, I'm requesting, please write. This is for you only. It's not for me. Even Rajesh, you also please write down this thing.
Yes, yes, Sumant, I'm writing each and everything, whatever you taught.
Oh,
That
okay.
is,
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks. Okay.
welcome.
Material group. Material group is something grouping of material which will say share same attributes. What does it mean? Material group. Write down material group hyphen grouping of material which will share same attributes. Grouping of materials which will share same attributes. Grouping of materials which will share same attributes. For example, for example, our material, the attribute can be age group. For our material, the attribute can be age group. For example, for our material, the attributes can be age group and dose or doses. You can mention this one as well. Okay, these two things for our material. Okay, from this description, I'm telling. Are you getting? Okay, so grouping
After
of
age group, after age group
not after age group. In
can be
our
age.
in our material,
Age
we
group.
can attribute can be age group and dose or doses. Some
Okay.
dose that one. Okay, like you need to take a 10 ml after your um, breakfast or lunch, some like that. Doctors prescribe, right? So in that way.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
Okay, so next one is okay, old material number. Old material number. This one is another important field. Old material number. See, it is the legacy. Write down. It is the legacy material number. It is the legacy material number. Legacy. LEGACY. It is the legacy material number.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I said it. Mention that if the legacy material number, not it is the material. If the legacy material number, okay. If the legacy material number is different from SAP material number, if the legacy material number is different from SAP material number, then we maintain. If the legacy material number is different from SAP material number,
Then
then we maintain here then we maintain legacy material number here. Then we maintain legacy material number here for reference purpose. Okay. If the legacy material number is different from the SAP material number, then we maintain legacy material number here for the reference purpose. Okay, let me clear this field. So what happens? See, we have discussed about the projects, types of projects, right? So if in any company there is no SAP and we are there to implement SAP, or they are adopting SAP for the first time, they would have you know run their business through a different ERP software other than this SAP, right? So in that case, what would happen? They would have some kind of material code already in their system, right? They would have. But here in SAP, maybe they are creating a different material code. For example, here we have 2492. That doesn't mean if we are into Oracle system or some other system, ERP system, they would have the same material with a different code, right? So if that material code is not matching with SAP material code, if this 2492 is different in the previous software, then they need to maintain that material code, that system's material code here for reference purpose, so that this can be mapped somewhere, that this x equal to this 2492. Okay, x equal to 2492. So this old material number is nothing but the if the legacy material. Yes, one more thing. Legacy means uh, non-SAP system. Legacy means non-SAP system. Okay. So if the legacy material number is different from SAP material number, then we maintain here the legacy material number for reference purpose, right? Okay. So what is next? Not this one. Okay, division. Write down division. Write down division. Okay, division is something. So division, right? Why division field is available here? So if you maintain division here, write down. If you maintain division here, if you maintain division here, then it will be determined into sales document. If you maintain division here, then it will be determined into sales document line item. If you maintain division here, then it will be determined into sales documents line item.
sales line.
Sales document line item. Line item. If you maintain division here, then it will be determined into the sales documents line item.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Fine, fine, fine. Okay. See, product allocation. Write down product allocation. Product allocation. Why only Swarup is replying or responding? Banita ଲେଖୁଛ?
Yes, sir.
ହଁ ତମେ ବି କୁହ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସରି ଯାଉଛି, ମାନେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ କରିଦଉଛ, ତାହେଲେ ମତେ କୁହ.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So division. If you maintain division here, then it will be okay. That is completed. Sorry. Product allocation. Write down this product allocation. So product allocation hyphen reserving the stocks, reserving the stocks, reserving the stocks for customers, reserving the stocks for customers, for customer groups or distribution channels, reserving the stocks for customers, for customer groups or for distribution channel to meet the future requirement, to meet the future requirement. To meet the future requirement.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now next, product hierarchy. Write down this product hierarchy. Product hierarchy. Okay. Hierarchy. Okay. So this spelling is correct or not? Hierarchy. Anyway, write down this thing.
Yes.
Okay. Write down this, a product having different labels. A product having different labels. What is product hierarchy? A product having different labels. Okay. When I'm saying labels, for example, LG is our product. LG company. Okay. LG is our company. Okay. There may be two different types of products, right? For example, electricals, then electronics, right? So electricals again, or electronics would have again home appliances, home appliances. Okay, then other appliances, right? Then home appliances again would have kitchen appliance, right? Okay, again on other appliances. Then kitchen appliances again would have dry and wet, something like that, right? Dry, wet, something like that. So these are called product hierarchy. Okay, so LG company would have two different segments of products, electrical and electronics. Then electronics again would have two different types of, or multiple types of products that that may be here. I'm just giving this example. Okay. So home appliances and other appliances, kitchen appliances and other appliances. Again, home appliances would have be divided into some other categories like kitchen appliances, other appliances. Kitchen appliances again would have two different or multiple segments, dry or wet, like this. Okay, you can mention this thing. Okay. Now,
Gross plant material.
mm,
Gross plant material.
no, not that one.
I
I'm
think.
searching. I'm searching which field is important here. Okay, see, gross weight and net weight. So write down this gross weight, you're understanding, right? You're getting what is gross weight. Gross weight is something, including the packaging materials weight as well, right? This is the total weight of the materials. Okay, write down gross weight. It is the total weight of the product including packaging. Gross weight is the total weight of the product including packaging, and net weight is the actual weight of the product without packaging. Gross weight is including packaging, net weight is without packaging. So here, okay, fine. So okay, there would have other fields as well. Why it is not available? Yeah, fine. Okay, next jump to this next one, basic data 2. Okay, basic data 2 will see what is important. Dangerous good not required at this moment. Okay, next write down this cells org 1, cells org 1, cells org 1, cells org 1, huh? Okay, in cells org 1 you can see this header label, what informations are coming: material code, description, sales organization, distribution channel. So whenever the sales view will come, you will see the sales organization and distribution channel. These are the most important entities to our module, right? Sales organization and distribution channel. So here base unit of measure. Okay, base unit of measure, okay, that is we have already covered, right? Sales unit, this one you can write down, sales unit. This base unit of measure was there already in the basic data 1 tab, right? So now you
Yes,
can
sir.
yeah, and mention sales unit. So sales unit means it is a unit in which we sell the product to the customer, sell our products to the customer, or sell our goods to the customer. Okay, sell our products to the customer.
It is a unit.
It is a unit in which we sell our products to the customer. It is a unit in which we sell the goods to the customers. Rajesh, here is a here you can see one important thing I will share here. Okay.
Okay.
See, for example, base unit of measure and sales unit of measure is different. This is from base unit is bottle, and sales unit is in cartoon, for example. In cartoon we are selling. Okay. Okay, for example, 12 bottle we are keeping in one carton, and we are selling this carton wise, we are selling. Okay, so what will happen in that case? If the base, okay, write down this thing. If the base unit of measure and sales unit is different, if the base unit of
If
measure, if the base unit of measure and sales unit of measure, or sales unit, if the base unit of measure and sales unit is different,
yes, sir.
then system will ask for the conversion. System will ask for the conversion. Okay, why? Because we are producing material in one unit, and we are selling the material in one another unit, right? We'll come to this additional option. Okay, we'll click on this additional data option. Okay, here you need to come to this unit of measure. Okay, here you need to do the conversion. Okay, so one bottle, okay, equal to it will be maintained one carton, like this. So here as both the units are same, system is by default considering this bottle to bottle conversion. Okay, bottle to bottle conversion. Okay, now clear, this one is clear. So now go back. Okay, so we'll discuss other fields here. Okay, Okay, sales unit done. Okay, see, sales unit not vary. Sales unit not vary. Write down this field. Sales unit not vary. Okay, if you check this, then system will not allow to change the sales unit while creating sales document. Okay, if you check this, then system will not allow to change the sales unit while creating sales document. Okay,
So
if you check this, then system will not allow to change the sales unit. System will not allow to change the sales unit while creating sales document.
system will not allow to.
System will not allow to change the sales unit while creating sales document. Guys, please, you please give me 5 minutes. Please stay here only. Give me 5 minutes. Noted down, right? This one noted. Hello.
Yes, man.
Yeah, this one done, right? Sales unit not vary. So if you
Yes,
check
yes.
this, then the system will not allow to change the sales unit while creating sales document. Okay, fine. Now, okay, X distribution chain status. X distribution chain status. X distribution chain status.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so sales sorry, X distribution chain status. Okay, this field will help. This field will help. This field will help to block the material for sales. This field will help to block the material for sales. This field will help to block the material for sales
Yes, sir.
across all the distribution channel. For sales across all the distribution channel. Okay, this field will help to block the material across all the distribution channel for sales. Okay, and coming to the next one, D chain specific status. Here X distribution chain status, this one is a D chain specific status. So what is D chain specific status? This field will help to block again. Okay, this is also used for blocking the material, but this is for a particular distribution channel. This is for a particular distribution channel. Okay, so this field will help to block the material for sales. This field will help to block the material for sales.
Yes, sir.
Okay, material for sales. Sales in a particular distribution channel. In a particular distribution channel. In a particular distribution channel. Okay, if I am dictating first and if you people are missing, then unmute yourself and ask me, otherwise I will continue. Okay, so next is delivering plant. Delivering plant.
Suman, this will help to block help for sales in a particular channel, no?
Yes, the above one is to block across all the distribution channel. The next one, division specific status. Specific means it is a particular to a distribution channel, single distribution channel. Okay, we can block the material. Next one is delivering plant. Okay, delivering plant. So this sorry, delivering plant. This is a criteria. This is a criteria. This is a criteria to determine plant into sales document. This is a criteria. This is a criteria to determine plant into the sales document. Delivering plant under this sales org 1 is to determine the plant into the sales document. Okay. Now next one is cash discount. Next one is cash discount. Okay. Okay. Just before writing this cash discount, under that delivering plant only write down another point. Under the delivering plant only write down another point. Plant will be determined to the sales document. Plant can be determined. Plant can be determined into the sales document. Plant can be determined into the sales document based on CMIR. What is CMIR? Based on CMIR, customer material info record. CMIR, based on CMIR. Okay, next customer master, comma, next customer master, and next material master. So plant can be determined into the sales document based on three different criteria. First criteria is CMIR. I am telling based on the sequence. Okay, first it will give to the give priority to the CMIR data, then it will give the priority to the customer master, then it will give the priority to the material master. Okay, so based on these three different master, system will determine plant into the sales document. Okay, now next cash discount. So in just next to the cash discount, in bracket write down SKTO. In bracket write down SKTO. Okay, SKTO.
Okay.
T for Tata, O for Odisha. Okay, SKTO. So write down, this field is a prerequisite. 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 This field is a prerequisite to determine cash discount condition. To determine cash discount condition. In bracket again mention SKTO. Cash discount is nothing but SKTO. Okay, this field determine cash discount type. Cash discount condition type. Cash discount condition type into sales document. Okay, this field is a prerequisite to determine cash discount condition type into the sales document. Okay, this field is a prerequisite to determine cash discount condition type into the sales document. Next, write down tax classification. This one. Okay, this tax classification. See, just have a look into the screen. Tax classification, this one we are discussing now. Okay, so tax classification, this will control whether the material is relevant for tax or not. This field controls whether the material is relevant for tax or not. Okay, this field controls whether the material is relevant for tax or not. Material is relevant for tax or not. In other word, this this field controls whether the material is relevant for tax or not. See here, just have a look. 0 is tax exempt, 1 equal to full tax, 2 equal to 50% tax, for example. Okay, so you can write down this thing. 0 example, 0 is tax exempt and 1 equal to full tax or taxable. Okay, now go to sales org 2. Okay, any other am I missing anything? Okay, sales org 2. Okay. See, under sales org 2, write down material statistic group. Material statistic group. Okay, this one, this field. This field. See, for your better understanding, you can mention sales org 2, underline that one. Under grouping terms, you can write down. Okay, under that you can mention material statistic group. Okay, then now make a note of this field. Material statistic group. Okay, this field controls whether to update. This field controls this field controls whether to update material sales data. This field controls whether to update material sales data into LIS or not. This field controls whether to update material sales data into LIS or not. This field controls whether LIS. I'll tell you what is LIS. You just write down this thing, LIS or not. This field controls whether to update material sales data into LIS or not. In capital you can capital letter you can mention LIS. Okay, this field controls whether to update material sales data into LIS or not. So write down now, LIS stands for logistic information system. Logistic information system. Okay, logistic information system. So again you can write down what is LIS. It is a management reporting tool. LIS is a management reporting tool. Okay, LIS is a management reporting tool. Okay, I'll give you some idea on this LIS, but not at this moment, later in later session. Okay, LIS is a management reporting tool. Management reporting tool. Tool, TOOL, tool.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the next one, okay, material price group. Not required this one. Okay, write down the next one, account assignment group of material. 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 Write down this thing. This field is one of the parameter. This field is one of the parameter. This field is one of the parameter to determine revenue GL account. To determine revenue GL account. This field is one of the parameter to determine revenue GL account. This field is one of the parameter to determine revenue GL account while posting invoice values into account. While posting invoice values into account. This field is one of the parameter to determine revenue GL account while posting invoice values into account. Okay, this field is one of the parameter to determine revenue GL account. Okay, to determine revenue GL account while posting invoice values in account into accounting. Okay, or account. See, when I'm saying it is one of the parameter, means see here you can see have a look here to in just additionally you can make a note under this. VKOA is the transaction to determine, write down, VKOA is the T code to determine revenue GL account. VKOA is the T code to determine revenue GL account. VKOA. See.
WAY.
No. OA. VKOA. This is transaction code. Here. See this. Got it right?
Yeah.
Okay. VKOA. So here you can see this GL we are defining. Determine revenue GL account. Revenue GL account. Revenue GL account means you are getting right. Accounting document, you understood right? When we do invoice or when we create any billing document, system generates a accounting document. Okay, it always happens when you are going to a bank and depositing some amount into your account, right? There will be an accounting entry. You get the message or SMS like your account got credited with 2000 rupees, for example, right? That means your account got credited, right? So that kind of accounting entry also will happen here when we will do the invoice. Okay, so how system will do that entry? Based on this GL account. Okay, so to determine this GL account, we use this account assignment group. Okay, we use this account assignment group, this one. Okay, so for finished good we use 03. For finished good we use 03 account assignment group of material. So here you can see this one, account assignment group of material. This is a combination, right? See, with the combination of this one, condition type, chart of account, sales organization, then account assignment group of customer, account assignment group of material, and account key, GL is determining. Rajesh, are you getting? Rajesh, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this account assignment group of customer is one of the parameter here to determine the GL account. Okay, so another parameter, if I'll say at this moment, let me go to the BP master or customer master, OBP. Just have a look here. Okay, what was the customer code we had defined? This one, I guess, right? See, sorry, billing. Okay, this one here inside the customer master there is a field under accounting tab. Okay, under billing tab, accounting section, account assignment group of customer. Okay, account assignment group of customer we had discussed once. Okay, the domestic revenue. So for domestic revenue we maintain 01. So what does it mean? This account assignment group is again another parameter here to determine the GL. See, this is the account assignment group of customer. Okay, what was the value here? Domestic revenue, foreign revenue, affiliate, what is this, compound revenue, or I don't know. Anyway, that you can see here, same thing. Okay, based on the some other combinations, actually chart of accounts, few other things are also coming. Okay, here. Oh, it is for chart of account CA. Okay, we will see for INT. Okay, INT. Where is INT? Chart of account. See, our chart of account is INT, and now when I filtered out that chart of account, you can see domestic revenue, foreign revenue, and the third one is coming here. Like this is the thing here coming here as well, right? Okay, from the customer. So this is again another parameter which system consider from customer master to determine this GL account. Okay, so we will not discuss that one at this moment. I just gave the hints so that you can understand it easily. So we'll go back to our material master again. Okay, write down the next one. Write down the next one. Next one is general item category group. General item category group. General item category group. Okay, so just a moment. What was this general item category group? During sales document processing, the group configured specific distribution channel. It has priority if the corresponding activity the distribution is independent. There are normal items, items that are signify services, and items that are signify packaging material. The system automatically suggests an item type in the document depending on item category. Okay, this item category group field will be okay. Write down a note. This will help to determine. Sorry, this is a parameter. This is a parameter. This is a parameter to determine the item category. This is a parameter to determine item category while doing inbound delivery. While doing inbound delivery. Okay. While doing inbound delivery. Inbound delivery. Inbound delivery means, for example, I am purchasing something, okay, from Amazon or Flipkart. Okay, I am receiving that one. So when Amazon is sending that goods to me, that is a outbound delivery from for Amazon. When I am receiving that one, that is a inbound delivery for me. Got it? See, in a transaction there will be a seller, there will be a receiver, right? There will be a customer, for example, receiver in the sense customer. So if I am purchasing something from Amazon, so if Amazon is doing some kind of delivery, I mean Amazon is doing the delivery, then only I will receive the product, right? So that will be considered as a outbound delivery for Amazon. Amazon is doing the delivery, and when I am receiving that material, that will be considered for me, that will be considered as a inbound delivery. I am receiving that material. Okay. So,
please repeat it.
see, yeah. This is a parameter. Okay, this is a parameter to determine item category. This is a parameter to determine item category. This is a parameter.
Doing inbound delivery.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay. So this is a parameter. Yeah. Yes, yes. Wait. This is a parameter to determine the item category while doing inbound delivery. While doing inbound delivery. Okay. Next one. Item category group.
Sir, can you explain me what is the exact meaning of inbound delivery?
Inbound delivery means when you are receiving some product. Okay. Inwarding the product.
Okay, sir.
Item category group. Item category group. This field, I am talking now, this field. Item category group. So this field is one of the parameter. This field is one of the parameter. This field is one of the parameter. This field is one of the parameter to determine item category into sales document. To determine item category into sales document.
To determine
item category into sales document.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So under that you can mention standard item category group. Standard item category group is NORM. See this one, NORM, norm. Standard item category group is norm. Okay, item category group, under that you can write down these examples. Norm, standard item category group is norm. Then third party material item category group. For third party material item category group will be BANS. Click here, you can go to this. So C D, okay, BANS, where is B?
So for third part,
See, third party item equal to BANS. Third party item equal to BANS. Okay, third party item equal to BANS. Okay, okay, for just a moment, on this one, see, this is individual purchase order. Okay, okay, for individual purchase order, in bracket you can mention IPO, individual purchase order, IPO. Okay, item category group would be BANC. 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 Okay,
yes, sir.
okay, fine. Now next one is pricing reference material. Pricing reference material, this is the last field we will cover for today. Okay, pricing reference material. Pricing reference material. Pricing reference material. So write down the note. If pricing is same for multiple materials, if pricing or if price is same for multiple materials, if price is same for multiple materials, if price is same for multiple materials, then instead of maintaining price for each and every material, instead of maintaining price for each and every material, instead of maintaining price for each and every material, we maintain price
Yes,
for
sir.
we maintain price for one material. Okay, if the pricing is same for multiple materials, then instead of maintaining price for each and every material, we will maintain price for one material. We will maintain price for one material. Instead of maintaining price for each and every material, we will maintain price for one material and assign this material to pricing reference material. And assign that material and assign that material as a pricing reference material. Okay, you got it?
Yes.
Then
So that material is
that material as pricing reference material. Pricing reference material, that material as pricing reference material, which means, for example, we have 5 products. Okay, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, and out of these 5 products, A material price is 100 rupees, B material price is 100 rupees, C material price also 100 rupees. When coming to D and C, they would have different price. So if there will be a master for this pricing, okay, like customer master, material master, there will be a master we will cover for pricing. Okay, so in that case what will happen, you have to mention somewhere, right, A equal to 100 rupees, B equal to 100 rupees, C equal to 100 rupees. So in case you have 100 materials itself, okay, 1 2 or maybe 200 materials in your company, whose price are same. Okay, so in that case, instead of maintaining price for each and every material, you can maintain price for one material, and that material you can put here as a pricing reference material. So that what will happen, system will by default consider that material's price for remaining other materials. Okay, out of 200, for example, one price you maintain, one for one material you maintain the price 100 rupees, and you need to assign that particular field here in each and every material code, so that without maintaining the master for pricing also, system will get to know, okay, this B price also 100 rupees, C price also is 100 rupees, like that. Okay, clear? Hopefully whatever the
Yes,
fields
sir.
we discussed, you I mean everyone is clear with the fields and its uses, right? So we will continue tomorrow, okay, with this from this cells general plant. So guys, one important note here or information for you guys. Okay, it's a ask from my side, everyone. See, this note itself I am dictating with lots of spending time and energy also I am losing. Okay, so what I am expecting from you, everyone needs to write down whatever the things I am dictating, and I need you guys to take a click of that notes and upload here in this group, so that I will understand, okay, this person have noted down this thing completely. Okay, I don't want to get all these things waste. Okay, don't want go all these things waste. So it's a request to everyone. Okay, please write down the notes whenever I am dictating, and same day only by evening I need this on need the photocopy of, or take a photo of your notes and share here. Okay, it's for everyone. Okay, not only a specific person, it's for everyone. If you are really serious, you want to do something in IT, in your career growth, in your future, or for your future, okay, please be serious and just have a look. I'm asking to be sincere for at least 2-3 months. Okay, okay guys, then we'll meet again tomorrow morning 8 o'clock. Okay, for today we'll stop. Okay, thanks everyone for joining, and have a good day.